Is your yard starting to look like a jungle? Overgrown brush, tangled weeds, and unsightly shrubs can quickly take over your property. That's where Big Phil's rubbish removal steps in. Our professional brush clearing services are perfect for homeowners, businesses, and land developers who need a fresh start. Whether it's a small backyard cleanup or clearing an entire lot, we've got the tools, team, and expertise to get it done right. Brush clearing isn't just about improving how your property looks, it's about safety and functionality too. Overgrown vegetation can be a fire hazard, a breeding ground for pests, or simply an obstacle to your landscaping goals. At Big Phil's, we don't just clear brush, we haul away the mess, leaving you with a clean slate to work with. Our team works quickly, safely, and efficiently, so you can enjoy your property without lifting a finger. So, why let overgrown brush take over your space when Big Phil's rubbish removal is just a call away? From small yards to large lots, we've got you covered. Don't settle for the mess, create the space you deserve with our reliable and hassle-free brush clearing services. Call Big Phil's today and let us bring your property back to life.